Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be covering how to set up Google Search Ad campaign from scratch the right way. See you in a bit. Alright guys, as always I'd like to ask you something. If you see any value from this video, please click the subscribe button below and subscribe for this channel. I'm Georgi Petrov for those that are new, and I have over 12 years of experience in digital marketing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, you name it. And I have my own digital marketing agency. I spent over $52 million in ad spend for search and social paid ads. So we'll gain a lot of experience out of those videos, I guarantee you. And without further ado, let's get started. Once you go to ads.google.com, on the left hand side, you click campaigns. After that, you click this plus sign and then click a new campaign. So now we have objectives here, right? We have objectives, and based on your business objective, you need to translate it into a marketing objective. So if you are an e-commerce website, you go for sales. If you're doing lead gen, you go for leads. Apparently, I'm in this case going for website traffic because I'm going to drive some traffic to one of my blog posts, right? And we'll hope to get some telemarketing sales as usual, right? And I'll start with create a campaign without a goal in this case, because I don't want Google to mess up with my campaign right now. I want to, have the full control over this campaign creation. Next, I click on search because we're going to create a search campaign. Then we have some goals here. I'm going to remove contact go and phone go. Keep in mind, we don't removing them from the account, we're removing them from the campaign itself only. And of course, if your objective is lead campaign, you should go strive for leads, or if you are an e-commerce brand, you need to go for purchases, right? As I go for purchases for my personal brand. Now click next and click website visits. I have a cheat sheet here, so I'm gonna go and copy the final destination URL, paste it here, and then click continue. After that, we're gonna name the campaign so we know what's going on here. And my blog post is called Top 20 Digital Marketing Tools. Okay, then we are targeting big 5 countries, and those are United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So big 5, and then I'm gonna add today's date. Okay, then click continue, and then start new. And then from conversions, I'll go to clicks. All right, that's most important for me right now. But you go for your last conversion. If that's purchase or lead, go for it. Then those should be unmarked because we still don't have data here to set the maximum cost per link bid, right? Then next, I'm gonna exclude Google paid networking. I don't want my ads to be shown here. You can read this what was going on here, but I will leave Google search partners. That's fine. Enter locations, and I'll enter the big 5. So United States, United Kingdom. Sorry. Okay, and then Canada. Okay, and then New Zealand. Okay, those are fine. English is fine. Location, if you are targeting people that are in those locations and you strive for leads or purchases, by all means go for this second option here. I'm gonna go for the first one right now, not because it's recommended, right? Go for this one if you are striving for leads. Okay, Now, English, then audience segments. You need to select all of audiences, because after the initial test, you will see what audiences are working, what are not working. So that's perfect. Observation recommended. I'll just leave it. It's not because it's recommended, but just leave it this way for now, because we need to test a little bit in the beginning. Automatically, okay, this is off. It should be off because we're gonna create our own ads. Then click next. Now Google Ads are asking us to, it's a beta, in beta. So basically, they ask us to create ads for us. We should not do this right now. Just skip it and paste the final URL here. Do your own keyword research. I've already done my keyword research, so I'm gonna just copy and paste my words here. Right? And some of them, as you can see, are exact match, and the same exact keywords are also a broad match. So I'm going to be testing them both, exact and broad match. Make sure that this is your final destination URL, final URL. And we start building some headlines. Make sure that you fill out all headlines, guys. Make sure you fill all headlines. I know it's a lot, but you just need to fill out all the headlines. Top 20 digital marketing tools 2025. It's gonna be long. Let's go for, okay, like this. Top 20, like this. Secret, no. Okay. And then add to the number of bees. Okay. And then 2025 tools that boost your ROI. Maximize sales. Okay. Top ROI tools for 2025. Make sure that you have those. Sure, you have all of them, and also don't include the kind of full stops, exclamation marks, all this, because they're against Google policies. So top ROI full stop for, okay, digital growth secrets, must have tools. Okay. Headline, best tools for biz growth. 2020 exposed. I like this one. Headline, grow, tools to grow. Okay. Okay. Unlock hidden these tools. Very good. 1025 ultimate kit. Okay, that's good. Okay. I need 3 more. Okay, for affiliates. That's fine. Tools to boost your business 2025. Okay, perfect. Okay, now all descriptions should be filled out. As you can see, the strength of my ad became good, right? Which is very good. The only thing that it's not good here, right here, is to include more keywords, but you do this in your setup. You just include more keywords so that you can fill this spot here. Then digital tools here, this marketing tools to grow your business, unleash the power of effectiveness. Okay, I don't like some of those. Let's say this one could be this one. Change to this one. Okay, and this here, unlock digital marketing secrets. No. Find hidden marketing. No. Okay. Must have to skyrocket your business. Okay. Okay. Now, image, guys. You add more images. I have just one right now here. Yeah, I think we're fine like this. And then we have 2 Now we have two, more than two for sure. Business logo for sure. Site links. I'd add at least one site link. I'm adding just one because you can now add more than one link, more than one site link with the same URL, basically. So if you want people to go to different links, that's the only option here. So I'm gonna be adding the final URL. And once I add the final URL, you just click create and you have another one. In terms of call out, click here to learn more, read more, because they're gonna read my blog post. And because we're talking about tools, get free trial available, right? Those are my 3 call outs. And that's all, pretty much. That if you want to track this particular campaign, which is highly recommended, use this field to create trackable URL. You can track, right, the final suffix and so on and so forth. Click next. Just add your budget. I'm gonna be going for a custom budget. I think $20 a day is perfect for this campaign. It's really up to you. Then click next. Oh, it already exists. Okay. So I'm gonna create, let's say, copy one or copy. All right. That's absolutely fine. The name, and then that's it. So looking on the right hand side, it's very important. Campaign optimization score should be over 90, right? It should be over 90. So when it's over 90, you are set for success, guys. And look at all the information again, and finally just click publish, and voila, here's your campaign for policy review. And we just set up our Google Ads search campaign. Thank you for watching this video. As always, subscribe if you've seen any value out of this video. Please hit the thumbs up. Mention down below in the comments if you know another trick for setting up this campaign for success. See you on the other side of success, guys. See you on the other side. Bye.